Hi, hello everyone. This is Selim Chaudhary. Again, I'm with another video, and today's video is about some classroom activities ideas for primary years, and this is only applicable for the language classes. You can use these activities in language class. Uh, so let us begin. First activity. I'm directly jumping into the activities. Activity 1, matching pictures to the numbers. These are actually applicable for students who are under below grade 3. For them these activities are very good. This is my first video about activities. I will come up with more activity videos after this one. So matching pictures to the numbers. What you do, teachers describe one of the pictures shown and ask them to guess the number of the pictures. And this thing can actually focus on colors, adjectives, clothes, appearance, uh, present continuous, this kind of situation. Activity 2 is memorizing the picture. uh, Teacher shows a picture for a while and cover it up and read out true false statement prepared beforehand. Students write or say true or false. This also aims for like heaven has, there is, are, number, preposition, colors, how many. uh, Third one, picture cover up. It is find a picture, cover it up as a whole or part of it, and let them guess the covered part. The focus is good for visual students and also practicing new words, way of activating words have and has. Next one is double-sided chunks. This one, write the phrases on both sides of the card or paper and show them only one side and ask them to guess the back side. So the focus is practice and revise phrases, memorize new vocabulary. In these cases, you can use this activity. Hot potato game. This is activity number 5. So find a potato, make maximum 10 students make a circle, then hand the potato each other by saying it hot, it's hot, it's very hot. While one student running outer side, aim is to circle potato faster than the student running outside. So the focus is practice adjective, kinesthetic, and they are physically involved in the lesson. Number 6, it is called Simon Says. I think many of us teachers use this one. Teacher gives command by saying Simon says, and then students obey the command. So that focus is imperative sentences, controlling the class, fun, and revision. Next one is called picture envelope. Stick to a picture on the back of an envelope and put the word related into the envelope and ask them to guess all the words in the envelope, or ask them to produce words about the picture. Then next week you can ask them again to revise. So this is to teach words, adjectives. It helps memorization if you are working on memorization. Then activity number 8 is who am I. Write a popular name on the back of a student and let him or her ask question about, others answer, and student tries to guess who he or she is. This is focused on having fun, making question and giving answers. Then activity number 9 is called filling jar. Write some filling adjectives on paper, put them in a jar or box. Student pull out one of them from the jar and mime, that means act out. Others try to guess the adjective. This is very interesting and very fun activity. I think the whole class will participate in it, especially the younger one. They loves this one. So revision of adjective and learning new adjective, this is very good for this activity. Number 9 is ready-made picture. Prepare some pictures, brushing teeth, having breakfast, etc., and ask them what do you do after breakfast, etc. Then respond by the help of pictures. And this activity can be done every day in every language class. 5-10 minutes, it's up to you. And today's final one is activity number 10, which is called mixed word or letters. Write crucial keywords on the board with mixed letter. Ask them to guess or correct. This is also fun, just for fun or revision or memorization. It's up to you what you are looking for. So most of these activities are fun, and young learners, they love this one a lot, especially early years, primary years program, grade 1 to grade 3 4. They will love all these activities. It's up to you how you want to put them in. Thank you for watching my watching my video, sorry. And please don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you soon. I will come with another video with more activities. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye.